Students Who, it goes to this little pop-up window and it has message students who for, and it has the name of the assignment and it has the names of the students that you highlighted below. So it says message students who haven't submitted yet. And you can also click have not been graded, or you can click scored more than a certain amount or less than a certain amount. And this has been great from a student success standpoint because you want to make sure that you are reaching the students who have not, or maybe forgot about the assignment, or you're gently nudging them to complete the assignment. So this is on Canvas and it's on every class. So I am going to send them a message, and you can't see it because I don't want you to see the students' names. But I am writing a message saying, "Good morning. Please remember that your assignment is due this week. The grade that you see is a placeholder grade. I'm so happy you are in class this semester. And please let me know if you need any help. Dr. Edwards." All right. So we are going to send this to everyone. Boom. Okay. So there we go. And we sent it to everyone so that they can know that they need to submit their assignment. All right, guys, quick and easy. That's it. If you have any questions, write them in the box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.